Are you still manually creating the exact same folder structure every single time you get a new client? You know the drill. Right click, new folder, type the name, open it, create subfolders, make files, rename those. Do it over and over again. Stop! There is a better way. Today, I'm introducing you to a new tool that is going to save you hours of manual clicking. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer and Google certified trainer. I empower business owners with Google solutions. I recently connected with an amazing Google expert, Joseph, regarding AppScript solutions. He has also developed a brilliant tool called FolderNest that automates your folder and file creation process, which is something many of you have been asking me about for years. Comment below. How many subfolders and files do you usually create for a new client project? 5? 10? Let me know. And if you have 0 client project templates or folders, schedule a clarity call with me so we can get you started. If you want to ensure that your current drive is organized before you start automating, check out my Google Drive Tips playlist. As we know, consistency is key in Google Workspace. If every client folder looks different, you lose things. I have worked with Joseph, an AppScript expert, and he created FolderNest to solve this exact problem. Instead of manually building structures, FolderNest allows you to set up your ideal folder template once and automate the creation of that structure for every new client project. This ensures that every client folder has the exact same subfolders as well as files without you lifting a finger. It uses the power of automation to keep your Google Drive standardized and organized. If you are ready to stop the manual grunt work and start automating your organization, you need to check this out. Click the link below to see FolderNest for yourself and see what Joseph has built. It's a game changer for anyone managing Google Client folders and files. I look forward to helping you succeed.